Meaning of earthling.
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 Earthling. The term earthling refers to a human being who is a resident of planet Earth. As an inhabitant of this planet, an earthling shares a common identity with other humans in terms of their strengths, weaknesses, and limitations. Being an earthling also implies a sense of responsibility towards the planet, as it is the only known habitable place in the universe. This term may also be used in science fiction to differentiate between humans and extraterrestrial beings from other planets. Overall, earthling is a word that conveys a sense of belonging and connection to our home planet.